Hey everyone, quick follow-up to the last video about how to do a screen recording on OBS. So this video will go over how to convert an MKV file into an MP4. So first of all, it is super simple. Let's switch back to our screen viewer here in OBS. Alright, so now that we're looking at the screen, what we will do is, once again, down here we have the start recording, stop recording, in settings. If you are currently not doing your output to MKV, that is okay. It is super easy. You just go to your settings to output, and then the recording format, you want this to be MKV. Okay, all right, and then to transfer that to an MP4, which makes it super easy for editing purposes, you go to File, Remux Recordings, then it'll pop up this window. So OBS recording, you'll want to click the three dots there, and then you're going to go through and find your video like normal. So for me, it automatically pulls up where I have these videos saved. Let's find the video that we are looking for. It is this one right here. And what's nice about MKV is you can actually see right here, this is the video we're recording right now. So it is basically saving it as it goes. So if something happens and let's say my computer shuts down, I'll still have the video file up until right now. And then I can just add on to it later, whereas if I was saving to an MP4, then if my computer shuts down partway through, then I lose everything. So that's one nice thing about saving to an MKV. So we select the file that we want. We hit open. Then you see it comes up as target file. It's going to save to the same location, and then you can insert more than one at a time, but we will hit remux. It's going to recording remuxed. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our folder, and here we see both the MP4 file along with the MKV file. So I hope you guys find this really helpful. We'll close out of this right there. We'll change back to camera. So I hope you find this helpful. I'll do a few more videos about different things you can do with OBS, like how do you actually stream to Facebook or other, Twitch and Mixer, and how to share your screen that way as well. So hope you guys enjoy.